Good day to you all. The name of our product is called the Magnificent Wonders Drain Filter System. Before that, let me introduce me and my team. We are from SMK Tasek Utara, which is one of the School of Excellence in Johor. Besides, we excel in both academics and co-curriculum activities. Now, let me give you a glimpse of how we look like. First and foremost, we have Po Yi, who is our leader, followed by Xing Hui, Pong Hui, Ella, and me. Together, we built this wonderful and astonishing idea in hope to help the school solve their problems.
The school canteen faces several problems regarding the disposal of dirty kitchen wastewater into the drain. This practice not only leads to a foul odor in the drain, but also causes the water to become opaque and hampers visibility, raising concerns about the presence of dangerous creatures. These issues poses a significant risk to the health and safety of students. To address these challenges, our vision is to implement a filter system that effectively solves this matter. By employing this system, we can filter the dirty water from the canteen, thereby improving the school's drainage system. This initiative will create a pollution-free environment for students to study, prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms in the school's drainages, and mitigate the risk of drain clogging due to food waste. Additionally, by adopting this solution, the school can contribute to a greener, zero-waste approach and effectively prevent the proliferation of vectors such as mice and mosquitoes. We have designed a model based on the latest symmetrical shape, which greatly enhances the efficiency of water filtration. This shape allows for optimized water flow and improved filtration performance. In addition, we have incorporated a newly developed technology called the hydro-responsive membrane. This cutting-edge technology enables our system to effectively differentiate between hydrophobic and hydrophilic substances, ensuring that only the desired molecules pass through and to further enhance the filtration process, we utilize activated carbon, which acts as a powerful adsorbent. This carbon component helps to separate and trap toxic molecules from the drain water, ensuring that the treated water is safe and clean. Our comprehensive approach to water filtration ensures both efficiency and effectiveness in providing high-quality filtered water.
We utilize several materials in the construction of this project, namely PVC pipes, hydro-responsive membranes, metal nets, valves, activated carbon, and filter bags. These components are procured at a reasonable cost, with the hydro-responsive membrane being the most expensive at Rm50. However, the remaining materials are relatively inexpensive, priced at no more than Rm20 each. Consequently, the overall expenditure amounts to Rm92.